Mora Kidz! Wow! What are we going to do, Miss Mori?
Today we want to do a simple experiment by using a balloon. Yeah, we want to blow the balloon by using a baking soda and vinegar.
Wow, baking soda and vinegar.
Don't forget to prepare 2 bottles, plastic bottle like this, yeah? Okay, the first step, we want to put the baking soda inside
the
balloon. Look at here.
Alright,
Don't forget the spoon.
scoop the baking soda and put it inside the balloon.
The balloon. Okay, 1,
One, I think more.
2. One more?
Think? Oh, I think that's
Enough?
enough.
Okay.
Now you have to put it on the bottle.
On the bottle first. Okay.
But don't let the baking soda fall first.
Yeah,
okay?
just wait first
wait.
because we need to add
One
some
more.
baking soda inside first. Another balloon.
Let's put the baking
The
soda.
color is red.
Wow.
1.
We will see which balloon that will
Blow.
Yes,
Up.
will blow. Up.
Okay.
Wow.
I think it's enough.
Yes.
And you put on the bottle.
Whoa, whoa,
Oops.
whoa, 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 whoa. What about
Don't
this?
let it drop, yeah, kids.
Okay. So, this is the vinegar.
And
It's just the water.
yeah, we want to see, yeah, the
Which
first
balloon?
bottle that can blow up first. Okay.
Which one do you want to try, Miss Mori?
I want to try the red one first.
The red one,
Let's
okay.
see.
Let's see,
You
let's-
hold the balloon and drop it.
This is only the water.
Oh, nothing happened, Miss
Nothing's
Agnes.
happened.
Because it's only water and baking soda.
Okay, see.
Yeah.
Oh.
The balloon is not blowing up.
What about this blue balloon?
Okay,
we will
let's see.
This is the vinegar.
Smells
Will
bad.
it blow up?
1, 2, 3.
Wow!
See?
It's blowing up.
You have
Can
to
you
hold
see
it.
that?
Wow, it's so
It's look-
pretty.
There
Look
are so
at
many bubbles. Blub, blub,
Yes.
blub, 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 blub.
the vinegar with the baking
Wow,
soda.
can you see the difference? It's
Yeah.
only water, but this is vinegar with baking soda.
It's
Wow.
working.
Blow it up.
Wow.
Blow it up.
See?
Blow it up. Wow. I'm surprised.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Okay? You have to do these experiments with a parent's guidance, okay? Don't do it by yourself because it's quite a little bit dangerous.
Yes. You need to ask your mommy or you're ready to accompany you.
Yes. So you can try it at home, but remember,
Be careful, okay?
Okay,
Alright,
it's time to
kids.
say
It's time to say
goodbye
goodbye
again.
Don't forget to like our video.
and subscribe our YouTube channel,
Mora
Mora
Kidz.
Kidz.
Yay!
See
Bye
you
bye.
again.
See you later.